How to recover chess.com account. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open any of the browser. I'm using Safari here. Go to the search bar and search for chess.com support. Tap on go. Tap on the very first link that you see, chess.com support. As soon as you do that, you will enter to this page where you want to scroll down to the very bottom, and there you want to tap on contact us. Here again, you need to scroll down a little bit and then tap on contact us. After that, here what you need to do is you need to scroll down a little bit and then tap on none on above fits my request. As you do that, you will enter to this screen and you will have to enter the request or issue that you have. Then tap on the arrow button on the bottom. As you do that, you will enter to the screen. Now you will have to enter the thing that I write here, or you can write it on your own words, or you can just copy this. Now scroll down a little bit and type your name. After that, again scroll down and enter your email address, and scroll down a little bit and then enter your chess.com username. After that, what you will need to do is you need to scroll down a little bit again and then type your chess.com account email, and you can also put screenshot or image if you have it and tap on submit. After doing that, your chess.com account will be recovered. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.